This property is proudly presented by Minster. Introducing 1100 McINTEER Circle at Traditions at Carey Station. This is the Hamilton floor plan that features 4-bedroom/3.5 bath with 2,694 square feet. Spacious main level living area, stone fireplace with raised hearth. A fabulous open kitchen design with a center island with bar seating. Sun-filled dining area looking out to backyard. Master bedroom suite includes a generous-sized bathroom with soaking tub and tiled shower. 2 additional guest rooms on the primary level with bath and half bath. Additionally, a walk-in laundry room. Upstairs features a spacious landing area and bedroom suite. A lovely fenced-in backyard that backs up to wooded area with covered patio for privacy. A spacious 2-car garage. Within a couple minutes walk to the community pool along sidewalks. A few minutes walk to Lake Oconee Academy.